Globalization is making the rich world even richer, but billions are locked out. They're living on the edge between the rich world and the poor. They face tough choices if they want to join the party. It's especially hard feeling locked out if you're a minority in the heart of a prosperous continent. Do you stick with your roots or do you break out into the wider world? That's the dilemma faced by one young Hungarian when he made a breakthrough in his career and a discovery about his past. In communist Hungary, gypsy children were often taken from poor families. They were raised in large orphanages with hundreds of other children. Among them was Arpad Bogdan, a young film director who turned his experiences into an award-winning feature film. It's moved audiences in Budapest and abroad.
My film is about the dilemmas of someone who realizes that in order to face the future, he must come to terms with his past. And that's something that I still have to do in my own life, myself.
Today, Arpad is in District 8, Budapest's Gypsy Harlem. But does he belong here, or is he a Hungarian artist like any other? His life is at a crucial junction.
Can we find a file by the date of birth?
To find out where he belongs, Arpad has to start here at the archives of the Child Protection Agency. Armed with a few names and dates, but not much more, Arpad goes back to the orphanage where he first stayed. It closed down a few years ago.
I was brought here at the age of 3 or 4, and I couldn't understand what all these bars were for, everywhere. I was struck by this prison feeling, the sense of isolation. I felt locked up and I thought I was being punished for something. I just couldn't figure out what they were punishing me for. Get out of here while you can. If you are here, your life has been cursed. If you are still here in a month, there is no way out, except one, that is death. This was written by one who gave up the fight, but it wasn't out of weakness or cowardice.